I really like the humor in the original photo. The backstory is that the cat grew up with 3 huskies. In the photo, the dog and cat are playing on the owner's bed. Huskies come in different colors. The color I find most interesting is reddish brown. I also wanted the fur to be thicker. Cats have even more variety in fur colors and patterns. The pattern I find most interesting is calico, which is unique to female cats. After changing the colors of the dog and cat, I needed to harmonize the color of the sheets. I think that teal green would complement the dog and cat's colors. I lay a base of light green Winsor Emerald watercolor first. I'm using watercolor to create an even base layer. This is my first time to use watercolor with colored pencils. I add layers of darker shades of green and light blue in colored pencil. This takes several layers for the colors to stand out. Using an electric eraser, I remove color from areas that should be white. I then add a layer of colored pencil, titanium white. My next videos will be the dog and the cat. Please stay tuned by liking my page. Thanks for watching.